at the DOS again. You probably know that we had some spring break events scheduled for this week that got canceled because nobody wants to get sick. But we do like to do STEAM labs here at least once a month, and I thought that you probably had all the materials to do this one at home. So we're going to show you a couple of different ways to do it, but this is the ice, water, and oil experiment that we were supposed to do on Tuesday. Amanda said she's going to upload this for you so that you can either print it out or view it online. The front page is the experiment, and on the back it'll tell you why this has happened. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through what you'll need. You'll need a couple of either glass containers, or if you have some plastic cups or just regular drinking glasses would work too. You need that. You need baby oil. If you have a lot of baby oil at home. If you don't have baby oil, I think that most people probably have vegetable oil. So grab some vegetable oil, and we won't use too much of this because I know you're probably doing a lot of cooking over the next couple of weeks. If you would like to do the ice part, you'll have to do some prep work. So probably the day before or in the morning, you're gonna fill an ice tray with water and then mix it together with some different colors of food coloring to make colored ice like that. So if you're doing that part, grab that. You'll also need food coloring, tongs if you have them, and then again, just like we did at story time, if you have a dropper, a syringe that's empty or anything like this, you can get one of those out. Actually, I did one for each color, so however many colors you're doing, get that many out. Or if you have straws at home, you can use those as droppers as well. So either way. Okay, so originally we were gonna do this with baby oil because we bought enough baby oil for everyone. So I'm gonna show you how to do that one first. So I'm gonna take my baby oil here, and it says to carefully fill your container with three quarters of the way with baby oil. Oop, not like that. It may take a minute to do this. We may just put the whole bottle of this in here. So fill that part up. It smells good, like babies. As you're doing that part, you could probably go ahead and mix a little bit of water in each of your containers. You can use other cups. I had some little bathroom cups that I used here at the DOS. So I just took a little water and put about 5 drops of food coloring in each one and then mix them up. I have orange, red, purple, blue, and we're gonna mix up a green here just so you can see what it's like. This isn't gonna fill it up all the way, but I think you'll be able to see pretty well in this larger container what we're trying to do. Okay, now that you've got that filled up, that one's ready to go. If you don't have a lot of baby oil on hand, you can grab another container and fill it with just a little bit of water. So we're gonna do water first. Actually, you want more water than oil in this one. And then you're gonna put a little bit of oil on the top. And this is a good experiment right here. Does anybody know why that happens? See, the water's on the bottom and the oil floated to the top. So we'll put a little bit more. Close that up and put it to the side. Now, for the people who did the prep work and want to do the ice part, this is a little tedious, it said online whenever I looked at it, but it's gonna take some patience from you or your children. You're gonna take the tongs and you're gonna grab a piece of ice and you're gonna put it into the oil mixture and hold it until the reaction happens. What you're waiting for here is for the water to melt from the ice. And it may take a while to do so. And I believe whenever I watched it online, the mom said that she gave up and just threw it in. So we'll see what happens to that ice. Then, with the waters that you've mixed up with your 5 drops of food coloring here, I took some colors of the rainbow. And you can just take your syringes and see kind of the same reaction here. So I'm gonna fill up with a little bit of water and food coloring, and I'm gonna squirt it in there and see what happens. There's green. Let's do some blue. Oh my goodness, that's pretty cool. All right, let's do some purple. Red. Let's try orange also. How neat is that? So on the back of your sheet, you'll see an explanation on why that happens. Oil is less dense than water, and that's the short explanation on why that happens. They're different weights. Now, if you're going to try it with the water and oil this way, it'll work the exact same way, except for now it has to go through just a little bit of oil there and reach the water at the bottom. So let's try. Let's see what happens. And you can see it'll be coming down in the bottom and coloring the water underneath. And it will eventually all go down to the bottom. So if you do more than one color, those colors will mix in the water below. If you happen to have some Alka-Seltzer tablets on hand, you can throw your Alka-Seltzer tablets in one of these and see what it does. It kind of makes a lava lamp experiment for you, so that's kind of fun too, but your kids will probably have a lot of fun doing this all afternoon. It is a little messy, so I do suggest putting a tablecloth down. I have food coloring all over my hands, and I got out some baby wipes here just in case. Thank you for watching, everybody.